Hello my lovelies, how are you all doing today? So we have got a Makeup Revolution unboxing. I am part of the RevGen community, so I do have a discount code for you which will be linked. Ignore the noise. So you can shop through my discount code and save a little bit of money if you want to. I think it's 10%. So they kindly gifted me £50 credit. I did actually buy something on the site though as well. Let's get into it. Excuse the noise guys, the flat's being worked on upstairs. It's not my noise. Right, so we all know what Revolution comes like. They take really good care with the packages. So let's get into this. It says, "Hey beauty bestie, thank you for choosing us." Well, it seems that they chose me actually, but thank you Revolution. I don't know what to get into first. Well, this has gone viral, so let's talk about this. I did want a face palette, but that's completely sold out in my shade. I'll put it around here. I've looked on TikTok, I've looked on Makeup Revolution, I've looked on Superdrug, and I've even looked on Boots. Everywhere in my shade fair has sold out, so I chose something else which I'll get to in a minute. So we've got the Fair Neutral Revolution Super Dewy Skin Tint SPF 30. It's 100% mineral, broad spectrum, UVB and UVA. So broad spectrum, suitable for sensitive skin. That's good. Natural finish, brightens and blurs. And I'll show you what it looks like. Most of you have tried this by now. I've heard one negative review on it so far, just that it wasn't suitable for her skin, but she did say that it could have been her skincare. And that looks a bit dark for me, but I'm not putting it on. I'm just gonna, oh, it is dewy. I think I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna try and lift my arm up. It's just here. You're probably not gonna be able to see it because of the lighting. I am working with my curtains being open. I'm not working with false lighting today. I just want to show you these as they are. So I've got that one. Oh, I got this as well because I needed a new one. So this is the Revolution Stimulating Scalp Massager, which of course looks like that and looks like that. I'm hoping that's going to help with hair growth. They say if you stimulate the roots, it does help with hair growth. So yeah, got that. I think there's 7 items in here in total. I got this. I didn't even know these existed. So this is the Revolution Balm Glow Multi-Use Glow for the Face. Luminous Finish Rose Pink. I mean, this looks really nice actually. Very balmy. Yeah, you'd have to go in with quite a bit of that, I think. These types of products you have to warm up. You have to warm them up to actually see them on the face. This is a new product that Revolution have brought out. The Revolution Glass Halo Highlighter Stick. I think I chose the shade Pink. I'm not too sure about it, but I will be doing a video with all these products and then I can let you know what I think. So they do 3 shades in that. Then I chose, this has gone viral as well, the Revolution Kiss Strip Water Lipton. I put this on yesterday, it's really nice. I chose the Strawberry Drizzle. It says scented. Is it scented? It is. It just smells like strawberries. I'd put it on with you, but I want to do something else because I ordered another lip product and I've not used this one yet. You see, Revolution Jelly Lip Oil now. So let's try and put some of this on and just see what it looks like. Let's get our first impressions together. I don't know if it's scented or if it's got a name. Can't remember. So it's the Jelly Lip Oil Hydrating Balm. Oh, it's called Candy. They do have others. Oh, that's nice. And look, it looks like jelly too. Let me get this one off. Right, let's try it on together. yeah, it's moisturising. There's no colour there though. I can't see any colour there, whereas the other one, the other lip product I got, there's certainly colour there. So we will be trying that out next time. And then, oh, there's 2 products left. Okay, so I'll show you this. This is one of the things that I bought for myself. So they've wrapped it up really, really nicely. You all know how I feel. Well, you will if you watch me a lot. You know how I feel about the Iconic palettes. They brought this new one out. It's called Revolution the Master Iconic, and it is just full of mattes. And I don't have too many all matte eyeshadow palettes, so this is going to be really, really nice for my collection. I won't use these creams, I don't think, unless I decide to use them for eyeliner. But everything else in here is stunning. And I never do an all matte eyeshadow look, so you won't see that on me. But definitely, this is a companion palette to other palettes. And then, lastly, you're thinking there's a lot here. There is a lot here. I was surprised at how much I could get for £50. Well, it came to, I think, £60.11, so I had to put £10.11 to it. But I got this from them. This is new out. I thought it was going to be a bit bigger, to be honest, but boy does it pack a punch. So I had a look at all these products yesterday. I couldn't wait. So this is the Revolution Amalfi Glow. It's so nice. It's a multi-use complexion palette. And do you know how I was saying before I wanted a different palette? It comes with like concealer, foundations and then blush bronzers as well. This one is your eyeshadows and also your cheek products. Right, so on this side, we've got the eyeshadows, right? I won't wear these blues. I know I won't, but everything else is just stunning. And then on this side, let's just lift the lid up. I like the fact that they've thought about inserting a lid, because I don't like it when my powders go into my creams. So we can use these as like concealers. I don't have a Revolution concealer, so we can use that for them. Like, we can even mix these to make an ideal bronzer. I don't know what I'd use this yellow for. But everything else is like very much blusher related, and the pans are a little bit small, so you'd have to go in with a very, very small brush. But I think it's a beautiful palette. I do like my cream palettes, but I am going to be using it really, really soon. I'm going to be doing a video with all these products. I don't think today, but very, very soon. So watch out for that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye, guys.